we didn't do a room review when we came in, but yeah, got to be quiet because it's only half five at the minute. We got an early start. But we got a nice shower. It was a powerful shower, mate.
It was powerful, it was just hard to get in there.
Shower and toilet. Telly on the wall. We got a coffee machine, but I couldn't see any cups.
Did you look in the drawer?
Yeah, there's nothing in the drawer.
Oh, okay.
Wardrobe.
Oh, I've not looked in the wardrobe.
Is there cups in the wardrobe?
Oh, there's a fridge.
Oh,
Cups and glasses.
is there a mini bar?
Yes.
Oh. We got a mini bar.
A full mini bar.
I didn't know we had a mini bar.
Oh, it's pretty just as well.
And that is a picture of what we're staying in. We're in the second one there.
Yeah.
And we got that tower at the end. So this is our view. Early morning view, and there's the tower. So you can see the hotel is the furthest one down there, and that's the restaurant. But yeah, cracking view from up here. A very unusual building. So we're standing there waiting for our taxi, which I think was there a second ago, and the bus came, so you had to go around, and I think that's in coming back round now. That's the silver one, isn't it? But yeah, here comes our taxi now. Yeah, here comes our taxi now. Trying to work out where we're to go for the train, but we're well early, so we've got time to kill wandering around. So we're trying to work out what platform we go on, but there's all the info. It's a bit of an upgrade from Boglin Station. We've only got one track, so if you look down there, each one of those is 2 tracks. So we're at number 5, and then there's rows. There's probably about 4 rows of these. It's 4 8s. How many trains are going at any one time? So we think that's ours there, 621 5J. So we're in Lipno. We made it. So this is what we see at the end of the railway. So we've just walked up a steep slope over there. I'm with the guys from Egypt, and yeah, now we got to work out how to get to the event. I thought it was at the literally at the end of the train station, but appears not. So we've managed to get over here. We were obviously trying to get a taxi and Uber, and I managed to talk to someone who didn't speak English and I don't speak Czech, and he very kindly drove us over here. all of us, all 7. So he brought the guys from Egypt as well, which was brilliant. I think he's on his 2nd trip now. But then we get to registration, which is over there, and then we got a nice queue. But there's the entrance when we do. And there's quite a few bikes around the car park. But yeah, if we'd had the bike and registered, we could have done a fast track. But yeah, I'll talk a bit of that. At least we got a bit of entertainment while we wait. So later on, no doubt, this will be packed with bikes here. I think this is all the bike parking. So yeah, there's a lot more people here than bikes. I know we are, but we got an excuse.
Well, it's a bit layered as well.
But yeah.
Morning breaks, engines wait, miles ahead, for freedom's sake. Roads unknown, call our name, every journey.
After a battle uphill, we've got to the accommodation. It's quite spacious, lounge, little table, kitchen. But the room's strange set out. It's got 2 rooms, but you have to go through one to get to the other. So yeah, that's going to be interesting. Oh, but not film Kurt coming out of the shower. So, so we come here earlier. This is the pedestrian entrance. Oh, you can't see it, right on top of the hill. That's where we're staying. But such is life. Yeah, I think they're going to Lloyd's Tuning in that stand.
And both another one. And then.
That's not a real gentleman like.
And then no. And then he told me.
You've got the custom bikes over in that tent. We'll have a look around a bit later. Some bags. And then you got the queue here. I think that's to get the t-shirts. So we won't be queuing up there yet. Quite a bit of a stage.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Don't want to film too long, copyright. So it's Thursday night, we got the food stalls out. Nice bit of seating area over there. But it's early evening, 10 to 6. We've got a stage there. I think they got a U2 tribute band on later.
Engines wait, miles ahead, for freedom's sake.
Steady, don't fall down. It's good fun up there?
Yeah.
Loud. The rest up there, are they?
Yeah.
Alright.
All the story.
Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Anwar Rashidi. I'm ambassador of IMRGlobal, and I would say thank you, and we will see you again in IRL.
Miles ahead. freedom's sake.